please order now as service during the show will be limited. We remind you that the AquaTheatre has been designated no smoking, and we kindly request that no food is brought into this space. As a courtesy to your fellow guests, please no reserving of seats. Due to artist copyright laws and for the safety of our cast, flash photography is not permitted. Also, the unauthorized photography or videotaping of this performance is strictly prohibited. We kindly ask that all parents, grandparents, and guardians control the behavior of their children during this performance. And as a final reminder, please ensure that all cell phones and beepers have been switched off. Thank you and enjoy the show.
Señoras y señores, bienvenidos al Teatro Aqua. Antes de comenzar el espectáculo queremos entregarles la siguiente información. Si desea ordenar una bebida, por favor hágalo ahora, pues el servicio durante el show será limitado. Les recordamos que el Teatro Aqua es un recinto donde está prohibido fumar. Les pedimos no ingresar con comida y por respeto y consideración a otros huéspedes, por favor, no reserve asientos. Por la seguridad de nuestros artistas, las fotografías con flash no están permitidas. Además, por leyes de derecho de autor, está prohibido el registro del show en fotografías no autorizadas. Les pedimos a los adultos responsables y padres que controlen el comportamiento de los niños y consideren que si están sentados en las primeras 3 filas, pueden resultar mojados. Este es el momento de verificar que sus radios y teléfonos celulares estén apagados.
But anyway, here's some more of the AquaTheatre suites up here. I've had people in these and I have people booked in these. So Harmony of the Seas, Oasis of the Seas, Allure of the Seas that I'm on now. So lots of things to do on board the ship. And during part of the show, there will be a diver from way up high all the way down to the water. CruiseByMandy signing off.